Good morning, children. This week we are going to carry on with instructions, and we are going to be today looking at verbal instructions. So we are specifically looking at verbal instructions. That means instructions that are spoken. And we are going to have a go at following instructions as well as giving clear verbal instructions. So children, for today's task, you will need an A4 piece of paper, white paper, a sharp pencil, and a ruler. Pause this video to give yourself a chance to get all the items that you will need before carrying on. Now that you have all the equipment that you need to listen and follow my verbal instructions. To start with, place the paper with its long side on the bottom. So place the paper with its long side on the bottom. First, in the middle of your paper, using a ruler, draw a square with sides of 6 centimeters. First, in the middle of your paper, using a ruler, draw a square with sides of 6 centimeters. Children, I will try to repeat each instruction twice, but please feel free to pause after any instructions to give yourself time to do what you've been instructed to do. So we'll carry on with the instructions. Next, on the top of that square, draw a triangle. The top side of the square will be the bottom side of the triangle. I repeat. Next, on the top of that square, draw a triangle. The top side of the square will be the bottom side of the triangle. Then, inside the triangle, neatly draw a circle. I repeat. Then, inside the triangle, neatly draw a circle. Inside the square, in the middle of the bottom side, draw a rectangle that is 2 centimeters wide and 3 centimeters tall. I repeat, inside the square, in the middle of the bottom side, draw a rectangle that is 2 centimeters wide and 3 centimeters tall. After that, place the tip of the pencil in the right corner of the rectangle. Slowly draw a short line down. Now draw a big letter S which reaches the bottom of the page. I repeat, after that, place the tip of the pencil in the right corner of the rectangle and slowly draw a short line down. From that line, draw a big letter S right to the bottom of that page. Next, from the left corner of the rectangle, carefully draw another letter S. I repeat. Next, from the bottom of the left corner of the rectangle, carefully draw another letter S, which reaches right to the bottom of the page. In the left-hand corner, in the top left-hand corner, draw a circle. I repeat, in the top left-hand corner, draw a circle. Then make 8 lines come out of the circle. I repeat, then make 8 lines come out of the circle. After this, in the bottom right-hand corner, draw a small cat. After this, in the bottom right-hand corner, draw a small cat. In the top right-hand corner, draw 2 birds. In the top right-hand corner, draw 2 birds. Finally, in the bottom left-hand corner, draw 3 flowers with 5 petals each. Finally, in the bottom left-hand corner, carefully draw 3 flowers with 5 petals each. When you've finished drawing, can you compare your drawing to mine? Is this what you ended up with, children? Following my verbal instructions? I am sure your drawing is even better. Now, children, you could probably hear that as I was giving instructions, I was checking them and I was making improvements to them straight away to make them really, really clear. And that's what we have to do. We have to make sure that our instructions are as clear as possible. Now, your challenge today is to listen to my instructions one more time and count how many time conjunctions could you hear. It would be lovely if you could write what they were. How many imperative verbs could you hear? And how many adverbs could you hear? For your independent task, have a go at drawing, making something, or playing a game. Talk through what you are doing as you do it. Pretend you are giving yourself instructions. After this, give instructions to a member of your family. Would they be able to follow your instructions and either draw or make something or play the game that you have played? Are your instructions clear enough? Aim to include imperative verbs, adverbs, and time conjunctions. You might find it useful to write these instructions down and then reading them to a member of your family children. The key is to make sure that you practice following verbal instructions and then also giving the clear verbal instructions. Do let us know on Tapestry how you got on. If you like, you could even record your verbal instructions. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.